you have a question कि यार what do you want to become, what is my strength, what is my weakness, how will I find out? Especially your young people, trust me, there are a lot of confusion. आपको पता नहीं रहेगा कि आपका strength क्या है, weakness क्या है. In fact, knowing yourself is also a gigantic task. It takes really time and awareness to know yourself, to know your strength, because through your strength you can actually connect your dreams. Because ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपके बहुत सारे सपने हैं, but you are putting your effort in an area which you are very very weak at, and that is where this personality, knowing the personality, comes into the picture. In fact, a few months back when I did my personality report with Vijay, the results were definitely astounding, and I could see that few of the things are completely matching, and I could actually find my areas of improvement. And now, because I find my areas of improvement, I can work on it. So why to learn about your personality then? Multiple reasons, right? So as I told, to find out your goals, find out your aspirations, connect them with your personal life, and also to see, to create an environment where you're working in your corporate or you're leading your life with a very peaceful way. Become a better communicator. If you know your personality, if you know people's personality, you can actually connect with people, and connection requires common ground. अगर आप लोगों की personality को जान जाओगे तो आप connection में बहुत ही जल्दी build कर पाओगे. What is the other third thing which is written is minimize and prevent conflicts. Sometimes what happened, because we don't know people's personality, if फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई थिंक एक हमारे कॉलेज टाइप में ऐसा होता है कि जो दिल्ली वाले बंदे होते हैं, दे आर वेरी वेरी लाउड in talking. They will speak whatever they want. Or similarly, we have a lot of perception who comes from Bihar, or who comes from Andhra Pradesh, who comes from Tamil Nadu. We all come from different background. So the personality which we are born and brought up with, it shapes our character. And most of us, we judge out of just seeing them from where they are. And sometimes we come into conflict and we feel that that person is hurting your ego, and you come with a lot of fight, and maybe you have a lot of fight in your school life or maybe college life as well. So if you know your personality, you can actually prevent the conflict and your energy will be saved. And the best part is that if you really know how to leverage it, you can actually use it to create a positive influence and create a huge impact, and ultimately reaching your dream, not alone, but with a dream team of your life. So let us see what are the reasons, what will shape your personality. So I think a few of the last session even Vijay also covered. So the first and important aspect is hereditary. Needless to say कि आपके कुछ कुछ चीजें आपके मम्मी पापा के थ्रू ही आ जाते हैं चीजें, and it is genetic to you, and few things you can't change. You can only nurture and make it better. And the second part is role models. This is my personal favorite, because I have grown up seeing a lot of cartoons, lot of superhero movies, and a lot of movies where inspiration and some hero kind of stuff is there. So always from my childhood, because I've seen a lot of role models who I look up to, I have imbibed those characteristics in me, and my subconscious always thinks like that. Can I become a hero to someone? Can I become a role model to someone? Where should I work on? And the third and foremost thing is environment. Needless to say again, कि आपके environment, you won't believe it, it actually shapes your personality as well. So if you are with the people who are entrepreneurs who want to create revolution, then automatically your mindset will start thinking like that. Your personality will transform. Whatever personality you have right now, it could actually grow. Is how would you know it? So this is where the disc personality system comes into the picture, and this is a very good tool which Vijay has recently launched for all of us. And I personally did my disc profile assessment. And generally, disc comes from a guy called Dr. William Moulton. He's a Harvard. He used to, I think, teach in Harvard. And while his research, he came up with the system. And this disc system helps you to know your behavior, your communication style, your strength style, your also work style, which is where you get a sense of awareness of your personality, and you can work on it. So let me come to the crux of my talk, is the personality types. The first part is a dominant personality. And dominant personality is someone in your friend circle, or in your corporate life, in your anywhere you are there, कोई ना कोई एक बंदा होगा जो चीजों को कंट्रोल करना चाहता है. मेरे बचपन में there was a lady called Salma. She used to be always become captain of the class. She used to take that charge. She used to take initiative so that she can become the captain. So she was very dominant and decisive, and she wanted to take controls of her life. And similarly, if you are here, if you are in your corporate career, many of your manager also will have dominant personality, because generally क्या होता है, जो आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे S, the person who comes into category of steadiness, right? Steadiness. These people are very chilled out people. They need a lot of push, so that they can work. It's not that they don't want to work. It's just that their personality itself requires additional push. And for especially these kind of people, you would need dominant kind of personality who can really, really guide them, and at least give a kickback. यार जाके काम कर भाई, काम कर, बैठ मत, काम कर. You have to keep telling them so that they'll work. But dominant personality they have a flip side as well, because dominant personality are sometimes very aggressive. They are too point, too straight to the point. In fact, वो लोगों के feelings को matter भी नहीं करते. They will talk straight to the feeling. They might hurt so many people, and the war and whatever happens is all because of these people. They can never build a huge, good, humongous, healthy team, because these people will be always control freak. You can call control freak or whatever you can call, but these people are visionary. They see future, but the weakness is that they need someone to execute. Yeah, so these people are visionary, and visionary को reality में लेके आने के लिए you would need someone called SNC. And I are people who love talking, they love speaking, they love fun. If you are bringing I into your team, if you are hanging out with I, you will never get bored. In fact, we used to tell, यार अगर आप अगर ऑफिस में हो, आपको अगर खाना खाने भी जाना है, अगर आपको थोड़ा सा फन चाहिए लाइफ में, किसी भी आई पर्सनालिटी को लेके आ जाओ, उसके पास सारे स्टोरी रहेगा. ही विल हैव अप टू डेट न्यूज, he will have up to date movies, he will have all the things to share. he will make the conversation fun. आपको बोर तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. The only thing I का जो drawback रहता है कि they always want to speak, they always want to come in limelight. And if you hurt their, or if you reject their thoughts, if you reject their decision, whatever the ideas, वो तो भाई भाग जाएंगे. वो गायब ही हो जाएंगे, आपके साथ रहेंगे नहीं. And these people love talking, and especially these people have characteristic of influencing as well. And S people are the most steady people in this earth. Because of S, the world is there stable. If this S people are not there, trust me, all big ideas, all ideas which takes 10 years of time, 15 years of time, it is not possible. Because जो बंदा D है, he doesn't have patience. He will give you a lot of vision, but अगर उसको कुछ hope नहीं दिखेगा, तो he will quit. And I people will quit if you give rejections. If you tell no, this is not going to happen, if you criticize on his personality, anything, he will quit. He can't take rejections at all. But S people are the most loyal people. They accept you, they listen you, they're very good listeners, and the S people will have amazing friendships. In fact, if you're in S category, definitely just see in your friend circle, you have so many friends, very good friends. I people will have friends, but they're superficial friends. They people, you will feel that they have a lot of friends, but actually they won't have friends because they always talk. So if they don't listen, how will you build that relationship? But S people are wonderful people. And finally, the most another category of people are C, compliant people. These people are more detail oriented. They love detail. In fact, the moment disc profile assessment happened to me, मुझे इतना पेशेंस ही नहीं था कि पूरा 30 पेज डिस्क प्रोफाइल में पढूं. But same way, there was I think Pramod is there, I don't know. Pramod was there, Pramod Shetty. So he is a CSN personality. He loves detail. वो बंदे ने जैसे उसको डिस्क प्रोफाइल मिला, 30 पेज, 30 पेज read properly and made some notes and all, discuss with Vijay कि क्या है, पूरा डिटेल में चला गया. And these people love details. इनको, in fact, few people also may call they have some OCD. If you're at home, maybe one of your spouse wants thing at one place, मतलब चीजों को एक जगह में रहना ही रहना है. अगर उनको घर साफ चाहिए, तो घर साफ चाहिए ही चाहिए. थोड़ा अगर इधर उधर हो गया, तो उनका दिमाग खराब हो जाता है. इनफैक्ट अगर इफ यू कीप अ कप इन टुवर्ड्स योर डेस्क, उनका ऐसा फंडा रहता है कि लेफ्ट साइड में मेरा कप रहेगा, किसी ने अगर राइट साइड में भी रख दिया, तो मैं उसको लेफ्ट साइड में लेके आके रख दूंगा. नहीं तो उनको चैन नहीं मिलेगा. अगर तुम, इफ यू कीप योर वार्डरोब, दे वांट देयर वार्डरोब टू बी प्रॉपर्ली सेट. Their dresses, their ties, their shoes and everything. बट इसका ऑपोजिट जो आई है, आई को फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है, तो भूल ही जाता है. वॉट एवर ही सेज, in fact forget whatever he says in most of the time. And C people are people who are all of accuracy and data oriented. So these are the four set of people I have written in the slide: 3%, 11%, 16%, 17%. And most of you will have a combination of personality. It cannot. So if you see here, I took my disc assessment profile, and this is my personality graph. तो इसमें क्या रहता है कि if something called public perception मतलब the way I behave in front of public. And there's something called stress perception. This is where you, if you're under stress, how exactly you react to your stress. And the third is mirror is something called self image or self confidence, मतलब normally मैं कैसे behave करता हूँ. If you see my graph, I definitely पहले तो I तो बिल्कुल नहीं था, I'm sure about it. D was there from before as well. But if you see, my D is around 1.26. I is also positive in public perception. And when it comes to S and C in public, it is less. So in public, maybe I don't let people to speak. And maybe when it comes to groups, since I'm speaking a lot, it has changed with time. And if you see, S and C is a little bit weak in my area in terms of public. Maybe I don't touch the exact data which I speak when I talk my topic. It could happen. So these are the two graphs: public perception. Other is the stress perception. This is very interesting because stress perception actually comes from your core. आपके upbringing, आपका real जो core में होता है, it actually comes from stress perception. If you see in stress perception as well, my D is definitely always there in all the graph, and I is almost close to zero. and S is higher. So because S is higher, I generally don't jump into conclusion very fast. I take my own time. I assess the facts. In fact, in stress, my C is little positive. Matlab, I'm not too impatient to come to conclusion to take decision when I'm under stress. I like to be quiet. If you see my eyes little negative, I don't speak much when I'm under stress, and I take decision accordingly. And the mirror, if you see, mirror is close to similar to public, but S and C are more better, and D and I is almost similar to whatever 1 or 2 to 3 graphs I saw. The meaning is all about. And the best part is that because I know my personality now, I know my strengths, I can work on my weakness, and I can also focus कि आगे चल के मेरे dreams क्या हो सकते हैं. So my dreams of being a world class speaker or inspiring people, it came, if you see, my personality itself reflects. Because my personality reflects जो मेरे strength zone है उसी पे मैं काम करता हूँ. Whatever weakness I have, I tend to delegate or I complement with workaround. So if you see in my next slide, this is a power disc. So John C. Maxwell shares the strengths of my leadership. One, I is influensive. So I'm generally an influensive speaker. D is maybe decisive. P is processing. D is detailing. Yeah, P is persisting, and R is relating. So if you see, my I is well developed. Directing is above average according to the report. Processing is good. Retailing is good, but it is below par. I need to work on that, or either I need to find someone where I can delegate. Or C is creating. Creating, matlab, if I can come up with creative ideas or anything, something creative. P is persisting, and R is relating. So if you just see my profile, actually it tells me कि my P and D needs improvement, but rest other thing is okay, matlab is above average. Now if I can start working on my strength and work on my P and D, then actually I can grow much faster. So I exactly know where to work on my personality. Now, in fact, I can also choose my profession based on that. People who are C oriented, who need a lot of detail, they will be amazing in research work. So this is how it has helped me, guys. So the disc profile assessment is will basically help you to know your personality, and once you know yourself better, you can actually deal with other people in much more smarter way.